What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way, error that you may be facing. So let's get right into this. So this could be happening from a few things, and I'm going to show you all the easiest things that you can do to basically fix this error. The first thing you want to do is type in control panel on your search bar to have this opened up and click into uninstall a program. You want to do it this page, not the other page. Windows 10 and above, I think, have another uninstall page, but this is the one where you want to go from control panels to uninstall a program. In here, anything that says Microsoft Visual C++, click into it, basically all of them, because you might have more or less, but you want to then click into the change button, and then you want to click into the repair button for all of them. This is going to take some time, but I want you to basically do that for all of them. Once you've done that, if that still doesn't fix it for you, the next thing to do is type in CMD, run as administrator. And in here, we're going to type a command sfc /scan now. And it's going to take some time, but you want to run this process. It's going to be like from 0 to 100%. Once this is done, you want to restart your computer, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash it up. Go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.